going down the highway, and it's very, very scary. Look how scared Dave looks. You can hardly see. The rain is raining so hard. And the lightning and thunder is very scary, and it's scary.
Are you scared?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, and Dave's scared. See how scared he looks? He's scared. And I'm scared.
Where are we?
We're in Mississippi trying to get home. We've been on our trip. We had a nice time, and I had a wonderful birthday thanks to my kids and David. And I had so much fun playing with Frankie, 3-card poker. All right, I'm really scared. Watch the cars. We don't know if there might be a tornado the way the weather's acting. And the lightning is so loud. I wish you could hear it. Yeah, it's very scary. And there's nothing out here in the woods in this rain. So you want to say something, David?
That guy doesn't have his lights on. Now he does.
Oh no. Oh. That's very bad when they don't put their lights on, because when it's raining like this, that's all that you're going to have a chance to. I think that's hot. It's very serious.
Should I pass it?
No. You better stay right here. See how hard it's raining. And Dave's got to poop. And I pooped 3 times. I don't think they care about that. All right, that's